Ever tried to describe the perfect image to an AI, only to get something that looks like it came from a parallel universe? Yeah, same. With millions of people turning to AI image generators, and the market set to cross $1 billion by 2030, everyone's chasing tools that actually understand what you mean, not just what you type. So today, we're breaking down 7 of the best AI image generators that help you turn half-baked mental sketches into stunning visuals in seconds. Whether you're creating mock-ups, artwork, thumbnails, or just trying to communicate an idea better. Let's start with ClickUp, the tool that understands your workspace context and makes visuals that actually fit your projects. While ClickUp tops our list of best AI image generators, it does more than just create images. It's the world's first converged AI workspace where your projects, chats, and team inputs all come together to shape the images you create. Using the power of ClickUp's contextual work AI, ClickUp Brain, you can generate images inside the exact place you're already working, like a project doc, a whiteboard, or even a chat with your team. But the real magic? It understands workspace context. So if someone introduces a new teammate in ClickUp Chat, Brain can turn that intro into a fun welcome graphic in seconds. For example, if you're planning to create a birthday card for an employee, ClickUp can create a personalized birthday card using the person's profile info, interests, and previous interactions. It's that simple. And when you want hands-free creativity, there's Brain MAX, the AI desktop companion. Just speak your idea out loud, and its talk-to-text turns your voice into a refined prompt and instant, high-quality images. That's not all. ClickUp gives you the power of multiple AI models in one place, including Gemini 2.5 Flash or Nano Banana, giving you a variety of creative styles and faster results for your AI images. So instead of juggling tabs or exporting files everywhere, ClickUp keeps your images exactly where your work happens, organized, searchable, and shareable with your team. Next up, let's talk a little more deeply about Gemini 2.5 Flash, also known as Nano Banana. What makes it special? Its speed. This model is built to generate images fast without compromising on detail, so it's perfect when you need quick drafts, variations, or idea explorations. Whether it's product photos, concept art, or style-based explorations, Flash handles complex prompts with surprising accuracy. And because it's extremely lightweight, it works beautifully inside workflows, including tools that support multiple models, like ClickUp Brain, so you can instantly switch styles or speed depending on your project. Now, it's not meant for ultra photorealistic jobs, but for complex visual creation with speed, it works well. Alright, let's shift gears to a tool that grants you visuals that actually look real, like Photoshop Real, but without the complex learning curve of Photoshop. Adobe Firefly. Firefly sits inside the Adobe ecosystem, and with just a prompt, it turns ideas into photorealistic images, textures, and even editable templates. Want to fix a photo? Generative Fill can add, remove, or extend anything like magic. And yes, those edits actually blend in. You can even generate vectors, switch up color styles, or resize an image and let Firefly intelligently fill the gaps. It's still evolving. Sometimes images can distort in repeated tries, but for crisp, realistic results, Firefly is your go-to. Suppose your project needs text inside images, like posters, banners, memes, or clean typography. DALL-E 3 is the tool that rarely misses. Built right inside ChatGPT, it keeps prompts easy, and the visuals, sharp textures, polished lighting, and details that almost feel handcrafted. It actually generates accurate, readable text. No more gibberish fonts or broken letters. You can also tweak existing images, replace objects, refine scenes, or add new elements. On the free plan, you only get 2 images a day, and it handles people a bit imperfectly. But for text-focused creations, DALL-E works pretty well. Now, if you want something even more simple, fast, and beginner-friendly, Canva's AI image generator is the easiest place to start. Drop in a prompt, pick a style, watercolor, filmic, neon, color pencil, retro wave, and it instantly turns your idea into a clean visual. What makes Canva stand out is the built-in design intelligence. Here, AI suggests color palettes, font pairs, and layouts that match your theme automatically. And once your image is ready, you can fine-tune everything. While it has a few advanced styles compared to more specialized AI generators, for quick designs, Canva is your tool. While Canva supports simplistic creations, Midjourney can be your partner to push artistic boundaries. It's famous for producing rich, artistic, almost surreal visuals, and it gives you tons of variation so you can keep refining until it feels just right. You run it through Discord, and while that feels unusual at first, it actually gives you a ton of flexibility, especially when you start tweaking prompts and testing different settings. You can also set default parameters, aspect ratios, styles, the intensity of details, and even the generation speed, so every image feels tailored to your taste. At times, Discord can feel a bit chaotic, and public channels may not be ideal for private projects, but once you get used to it, the creative space is unmatched. And to wrap things up, here's the tool for people who love full creative freedom, Stable Diffusion. It's open source, incredibly flexible, and widely available across platforms like Playground AI and Google Colab, so you can experiment without worrying about limits or lock-ins. With the latest Stable Diffusion update, you get sharper photorealism, tighter prompt accuracy, and better control over fine details. And it also handles complex instructions surprisingly well, even text inside images, which makes it handy for branding, posters, and product mockups. But here's the deal. With great control comes, well, a slightly heavier learning curve. You'll need to consistently tweak settings for your desired results, but the results are worth all the effort. And that's it. 7 powerful AI image generators that boast their unique power to create different types of images. Whether you're sketching ideas, crafting campaigns, or building full-blown visual prototypes, there's a tool that fits your flow. But if you want images that are based on your work, your tasks, your docs, and your data, ClickUp is the most powerful choice. All set to bring your creative process and your workspace together? Try ClickUp today.